In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free upgrade on Emirates. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning a special trip, getting a complimentary upgrade is always a fantastic perk. So, let's dive right in and explore some tried and true strategies to increase your chances. First, you'll want to head over to the Emirates website at emirates.com. Once you're there, a key factor to getting an upgrade is your loyalty to the airline. Click on the loyalty section to learn about the Emirates Skywards program. Joining this loyalty program can significantly boost your chances of an upgrade. It's free to join, and over time, as you accumulate miles through flying with Emirates or affiliated partners, your status will rise. Loyalty is a big bonus here, and airlines often reward those who fly with them frequently. Now, let's talk about timing. Checking in early or sometimes very late can be beneficial. Airlines occasionally upgrade passengers when flights are overbooked, and being at the right place at the right time could mean a ticket to a more comfortable seat. Arriving early allows you time to have a friendly chat with check-in staff, which leads me to our next tip. Dressing and acting the part. It's a good idea to look professional and put together because fair or not, appearance can sometimes influence who's chosen for an upgrade. Traveling solo, you're in luck. Airlines are more likely to upgrade a single passenger than to try and reseat a group. It's simply easier for them logistically. If you're celebrating a special occasion, like a honeymoon or a milestone birthday, mention it at check-in. While there are no guarantees, airlines sometimes offer surprise gestures of goodwill like an upgrade. Here's a more strategic tip. If a flight is overbooked, volunteer to give up your seat. Sometimes airlines offer perks to those willing to change their plans, and this could include an upgrade on a later flight. Similarly, being flexible at the gate can set you apart. If you're open to last-minute changes, it might just pay off. Finally, always keep an eye out for last-minute paid upgrades. While not free, these offers can be significantly cheaper than the original price difference between classes and are often rolled out at check-in or at the gate. These opportunities are mostly offered when premium seats haven't been filled, so stay alert and ask the gate agent if any are available.
So, there you have it. With these tips, you're well equipped to potentially snag yourself a more luxurious travel experience on your next Emirates flight. Remember, while these tips can increase your chances, there are no guarantees. As upgrades are usually, as the airlines describe it, safe travels and happy flying.